Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 71st program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is about footer tag. We'll start with doctype HTML and we'll use HTML tag, body tag, footer tag, h2 tag. Now we'll end h2 tag, p tag. Now we'll end br tag. Now we'll end p tag, footer tag, body tag and HTML tag. So now we'll save it as 71 with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML folder and 71st program. So this is our basic output, how to use footer tag, and don't forget to check the tags in description which makes the page clear.